When you think of emergency survival gear, do you picture expensive gadgets? Think again. Today, I'll show you 7 ordinary household items, things you likely already own, that can be game changers in an emergency. Let's start with something you probably have tucked away in a kitchen drawer or left over from your last celebration: birthday candles. Most of us think of them as a fun way to top off a cake, a tradition that brings smiles and a moment of magic to any birthday. But these tiny, colorful candles are actually much more versatile than you might expect. They're a surprisingly useful tool to have on hand, not just for parties, but for emergencies and outdoor adventures too. When the power goes out and you're left fumbling in the dark, birthday candles can be a real lifesaver. They're not just for cake, they're emergency lighting in disguise. Their small size makes them easy to store, and you can light several at once to brighten up a room when you need it most. If you group a few together, you can create a surprisingly effective source of light that lasts for hours during a blackout. While a single candle might not seem like much, a cluster of them can illuminate an entire table or even a small room, making it easier to read, play games, or simply feel a little less alone when the lights go out. But the usefulness of birthday candles doesn't stop at lighting. Their long, steady flame makes them perfect for starting a fire, whether you're lighting a campfire in the wilderness or trying to get your fireplace going at home. Unlike matches, which burn out quickly, a birthday candle gives you more time to ignite kindling or stubborn logs, especially in damp or windy conditions. Because they're wind-resistant, lightweight, and take up almost no space, birthday candles are a smart addition to your backpack, glove box, or emergency kit. You can tuck a handful into a zip-top bag and forget about them until you really need them. They won't melt easily in moderate heat, and they're durable enough to survive being jostled around with your other gear. Out in the wild or on the road at night, birthday candles can even help you signal for help. Their bright, steady flame is visible from a surprising distance, especially when grouped together. If you ever find yourself lost or in need of assistance after dark, lighting a cluster of birthday candles can make you much easier to spot. A bunch of candles burning together creates a beacon of light that stands out in the darkness. Whether you're waiting for rescue or just trying to let someone know where you are, this simple trick can make a big difference. Another great thing about birthday candles is that they're generally safe for kids to use under adult supervision. Teaching children how to use them responsibly can be a valuable lesson in preparedness, and it's a safe way to introduce them to basic survival skills. So next time you find a few leftover birthday candles in your kitchen drawer, don't toss them out. Instead, add them to your emergency kit or travel bag. These little candles might seem insignificant, but in the right situation, they could provide light, warmth, or even help signal for help, making them a small but mighty addition to your preparedness plan. Dental floss is more than just for teeth. It's a survival powerhouse. It's strong enough for emergency repairs. Sew up a backpack, jacket, or shoes. Use it as fishing line, a tripwire, or to bundle gear. Floss can help tie off bandages or even serve as an emergency tourniquet. It's lightweight, nearly invisible, and lasts forever. Hang on to those free spools from the dentist. Dental floss is a secret survival tool waiting to be used. Don't underestimate it. Rubber bands are the Swiss Army knife of your junk drawer. They hold things together, organize gear, and can rig quick fixes for broken equipment. Improvised tools like tongs or a slingshot, or secure doors and cabinets in a storm. Use them to waterproof containers or bundle fire-starting materials. They're lightweight, reusable, and endlessly versatile. Keep a stash handy. They're survival gold. Don't overlook the humble rubber band. When you think of aluminum foil, You probably picture it in your kitchen, wrapping up leftovers or lining a baking tray, but this humble, shiny sheet is so much more than a culinary convenience. It's a true survival superstar, ready to step up in emergencies and outdoor adventures alike. Out in the wild, aluminum foil can be a literal lifesaver. Its reflective surface makes it perfect for signaling for help. Just catch the sunlight and flash it toward rescuers or passing planes. If you need to cook, shape foil into a makeshift pan or pouch, and you can roast veggies, fish, or even bake bread right over a campfire. It's lightweight, so you can carry plenty without adding bulk to your pack. But the uses don't stop there. Wrap your valuables, matches, or electronics in foil to protect them from water, dirt, and even some electromagnetic interference. If you want to keep your food or drinks at the right temperature, foil acts as a simple insulator. Wrap up a sandwich to keep it warm, or cover a cold drink to help it stay chilled longer. Need to shield a flame from the wind? Mold foil into a windbreak around your candle or camp stove. If you're short on containers, fold foil into a cup or a funnel to collect or pour water. Its heat-reflective properties also make it useful for directing warmth toward you in cold conditions. Just position a sheet behind your campfire to bounce heat back your way. Aluminum foil is incredibly versatile. It's bendy enough to shape into almost anything you need, yet strong enough to hold its form. You can crumple it up and reshape it again and again, making it reusable for multiple tasks. Whether you need to patch a hole in your gear, create a makeshift fishing lure, or even sharpen scissors by cutting through a folded sheet, foil has you covered. So, the next time you're wrapping up leftovers after dinner, take a moment to appreciate the hidden potential in that roll of foil. It's not just a kitchen helper, it's a compact, multi-use tool that could make all the difference in a pinch. That's why seasoned campers, hikers, and survivalists always keep a roll in their emergency kits. It's lightweight, affordable, and endlessly useful, whether you're facing a power outage at home or an unexpected night in the wilderness. Don't underestimate this shiny sheet. Add it to your survival gear, and you'll be ready for anything nature throws your way. Safety pins are tiny but mighty. Use them for quick repairs, clothes, backpacks, or zippers. They're perfect for first aid, secure bandages, make a sling, or remove splinters. Attach gear, hang tarps, or organize small items. Lightweight and tough, they fit anywhere. Never underestimate a safety pin in a crisis. Crayons aren't just for coloring, they're survival tools. Each crayon can burn for up to 30 minutes as an emergency candle. Mark trails, leave messages, or waterproof zippers with the wax. Shave off wax to help start a fire, even with damp wood. They're lightweight, safe for kids, and can keep little ones calm during emergencies. Don't toss those broken crayons. They're pocket-sized survival gear. Old glasses can be lifesavers, and not just for those who wear them every day. In a crisis, when resources are limited and every item counts, a forgotten pair of old specs can become one of your most valuable tools. Many people toss out their outdated glasses thinking they're no longer useful, but in reality, these can be a crucial backup when you least expect it. Imagine losing your main pair during an emergency. Suddenly, those old glasses tucked away in a drawer could mean the difference between functioning and being nearly helpless. Even if the prescription isn't perfect, a backup pair can help you read instructions, spot hazards in your environment, or simply navigate your surroundings with more confidence. In stressful situations, being able to see clearly can reduce anxiety and help you make better decisions. Old glasses can also be shared with someone else in your group who might have lost or broken theirs, providing a lifeline when it's needed most. But the usefulness of old glasses doesn't stop at vision correction. The lenses themselves can serve as a survival tool. For example, you can use a lens to focus sunlight and start a fire if you're outdoors and need warmth or a way to cook food. This simple trick can be a game changer in a survival scenario, especially if you don't have matches or a lighter. Glasses can also help you examine small wounds or splinters up close, making it easier to clean and treat injuries. In situations where medical help is far away, being able to see details clearly can help prevent infections and ensure proper care. The reflective surface of the lenses can be used to signal for help, catching the attention of rescuers or passing vehicles. A quick flash of sunlight off a lens can travel a surprising distance, making it an effective way to communicate your location if you're lost or stranded. Even the frames have their uses. In a pinch, the sturdy arms of glasses can be used as makeshift tools for small repairs, like tightening a screw or prying open a stuck compartment. The flexibility and strength of the frame can help with a variety of quick fixes around the house or campsite. And don't forget, an extra pair of glasses can be a lifesaver for someone else in your group. Sharing resources is key in any emergency, and something as simple as a pair of old specs can restore someone's independence and ability to contribute. So before you throw out your old specs, consider stashing them in your emergency kit, glove compartment, or first aid box. You never know when you or someone you care about might need them. In a crisis, clear vision can make all the difference, turning an old, forgotten pair of glasses into a true advantage when it matters most. There you have it. 7 everyday items that could make a huge difference in an emergency. Real preparedness is about knowing what you have and how to use it. Check your junk drawer. You might already own the tools to save the day. Let me know if you need further tightening or want to adjust the tone.